Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave. Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Ford Mondeo LX sedan, stock reference number 3934. This shape runs from the 10th month 2007 through to the 7th month 2009. It has a 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2.3 litre Duratec 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. Left-hand guard has a couple of small dents. This vehicle's fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. Left front has a bald tyre. Left car door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has a light dent in front of the handle. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Left tail light. Left boot lid garnish. Boot lid appears to have no damage. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Right hand boot lid garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door also appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard has a couple small dents and a light graze in the paintwork. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black and grey cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl centre console lid. Automatic type console. Automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.